how's it going, guys? It's a track haul quest with another video for you guys. What's going on is that I'm kind of on the fence now about running those rear 300M RCV axle shafts that I have. Was not planning on doing anything to the rear axles as far as axle shafts. I thought I was set, but after watching that video from Jailbreak Overlander, I've decided to go ahead and pull mine. He showed a short video on he had pretty much a catastrophic failure with the drive flanges splines stripping out on him. Alright guys, so we're going through my stash of parts. I always carry extra seals with me, especially nowadays with, you know, all these parts shortages we got going on. Oh, look what I got. So I do have some. Let's see. Oh yeah, scored. That's what we're looking for. And I ordered a bunch of these a while back. I think I ordered about a set of 6. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and replace that the rear axle shafts. This is good. I'm glad I have these laying around. Okay, so here we have our stock factory axle shafts, and yeah, clean them up, give them a nice fresh coat of black paint, looking real pretty. Try to do this without pulling the wheel off. There is a retainer clip that we got to pull off right here. Got it. Right in here, you can see we have our seal, and looks like we had a little bit of gear oil go past that seal there. So I'm thinking about replacing it. We're going to go ahead and apply a little bit of this Toyota sealant. It's the 103 FIPG. Just around the perimeter. I think that's where I had some of that oil seep through. There. So we drove it all the way back as we could. We're gonna go ahead and coat the seal just a bit with some fresh gear oil. All right. And our axle shaft. Coat these cone washers with a bit of grease. So we're going to go ahead and torque these down to 25 foot-pounds. Got the passenger side done. It went pretty straightforward. The only thing that gave me grief was those little cone washers. Those were kind of a pain in the butt. But we're going to go ahead and do the driver's side. Hopefully the seal on this side is okay. Driver's side's already buttoned up. Everything's good to go. The oil shaft seal looked great. We had no seepage coming in between the axle tube and the seal itself, so everything looked tip-top. I will have to order extras just to have on hand. I do want to bring you guys over here. We're gonna check out these RCV axle shafts. This will be your drive flange, and I mean, these look pretty good. I don't see any abnormal wear as far as the splines go. Oh yeah, this one's got a little bit more backlash. I could see that being an issue. So there's definitely a lot more backlash on the driver's side. Let's see here. This is the passenger side. And this one actually fits a lot more snug. And everything gets multiplied, right, with the larger tires. And I could see that at one point giving out. So I'm glad I did come across that video, and now we have a peace of mind knowing that stock factory axle shafts are pretty good. They're good quality. I just thought I would upgrade, right, make it better, but sometimes better's not always best. So